YouTube, man, what's good? It's your boy TJ. I'm coming back with another YouTube video, man. Hope y'all having a good day, man. It's currently Friday. Y'all already know what's going on today. DJ Cheeto carmeet, man. So listen, well, my video go cut out like I said, sure. But we finna head there. I'm gonna put gas in the car. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This car shining like a motherfucker. Omar got this bitch shining like a motherfucker. Shout out to that boy right there. He got this bitch shining. But we gonna put gas in the car, then we go head to the car meet. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm a VIP member, so we gonna get that VIP access. I think we go park in the back. So yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm on the way there. Yo, what's good with it, man? God damn, boy, hey, niggas is outside today. You know what I'm saying? We on the way to the DJ Cheeto car meet.
Homecoming, man.
And it's homecoming, y'all. Oh my lord.
They got the boys outside this year, boy.
What boys?
You see, it's like 6 cars deep right there. To the left right there.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, they ain't playing. They is not playing.
Everybody got aunties and shit outside.
So I mean, I don't need to go crazy. Cause I'm about to go slap ass. Come on, grandma, walk. Come on, grandma, walk.
Y'all about to see a Madonna come past this motherfucker.
Hey, how you doing? Hey,
Thick Madonna, do the thick Madonna,
hey,
do the thick Madonna.
Hey. Damn. Pull out in front of me like that, bro. Like they don't say what the fuck I'm driving. This ain't no regular. Extraordinary, my nigga.
Boy, in this video, that rail look close as hell.
Nah, probably is. Nah, AyyoTj, that they got that shit lit.
Oh yeah, you know that's the Q house. The Q dogs. Them niggas be lit as fuck, bro.
Can't even walk down the street without seeing them motherfuckers. Oh no, them bitches can't. Activated. Yo. Sports mode.
Oh, they bring the parade through here now? I didn't know they did that.
That's what I thought all this shit was.
You feel what the hell? This shit confusing now.
I don't know what the fuck they got going on.
They might start up here.
Fuck a seatbelt.
Man, I'm about to put that shit on, bro. Bro, my shit, bro, hey, I cut that shit off. Yeah, I got that taser, though.
Oh, yeah.
So I was able to cut that shit off, you feel me?
Cut my shit off.
Man.
I ain't even
you feel me? You never hit that shit in my shit. Got that taser. So the first thing I cut off, that shit right there.
Damn. And the sun beaming, too. So ain't gonna be that.
This shit just sounds so good, bro. Away from somebody who stumbled that motherfucker. Yeah, that's what I wanted to have now. I did that shit one time, bro. Like twice flooding that shit, nigga.
Flooding that bitch.
goddamn Skip the Lou.
Call that nigga Skippy Lou.
That's right. Y'all know we about to goddamn.
We pulling in that bitch, you know what I'm saying? What's going on? It's 4:30.
To the live and shit.
I don't see a lot of people though. I see some people though. Not a lot. That's the right one, right?
Yeah. You stupid.
Boy, them cars blitzing, bro.
There go somebody in that motherfucker.
Damn, so where we go?
Far right.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Said they go 20 of them in the cut. That shit look good too.
Like, dude.
Oh yeah, they tweaking.
Let me chill out, bro. You about to get me turned already.
Oh yeah.
Bro, already. Don't worry about it.
Oh, chillin'.
Damn, boy, like, the movie's still going on. So what, you got a car show and the movies at the same time?
Hey, yeah, I get the best of both.
Look at the fucking lineup, boy. Oh my god, damn. Oh my lord, Big B. Whew. Oh my god, bro. Dog, can't say this shit is not tough. Ain't nobody really out here though. But look at that big Bentley right there. That bitch busting, big track. Got the Hellcat right here. Hellcat, Scat Pack. Come on, bro. Stop playing. Then you know we got us right here. We got here early though, bro. Ain't nobody out here for real. I don't know where people at, bro. This shit started at 5. But you know how shit go. Yeah, you feel me? That bitch busting. I might park my shit right here. Damn, bro, this shit. Y'all hear this shit? That shit sound crazy, and to say it's a scat, that bitch sound like a cat. I had to book my spot then, huh? Oh hell, look at that. I guess he just moving everybody's cars, but I'm the only nigga out here though. For right now. Got the. Hold on, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna say they get smoking around.
Man, light up there, man. Fuck, come on, man. Light up. Light up, light up. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Where your light up?
In the cup holder. You should. Got the Danny Phantom over there and shit. Come on, bro.
Bro, we had a good. But like, real, I still had hella more questions for him, bro. You feel me? Still got questions, bro. Like, he got the top off.
Top off the cat,
You feel me? Wild body.
Wide body.
Still got questions for him. You feel me though?
No, yeah.
That shit tough. I want to go see that Phantom.
Look at them bitches. Big Danny Phantom over there. And you got all the other shit over there. You feel me? Oh, they pulling in now. Wide bodies, oh yeah.
Wild body.
Hey, that's Backyard Flame right there? I thought that was Backyard Flame, but I thought.
That bitch was tough.
Yeah, yeah.
But you see it on the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm gonna goddamn check y'all out for sure. Y'all in Greensboro and shit? Oh, word, me too. All right, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna check y'all out then, for sure. God damn. Yes, sir, ski.
Look at that dude right there.
We outside. He said, I'm parking in the middle, nigga. He said, I'm parking in the middle. With the track and the other Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That purple cat got fed, boy. Where? Oh, the right here?
Demon Carson.
Me personally. I might start walking in a few, y'all. I'm still chilling. Yeah, I might start walking in a minute. Double R. Pulling out the goddamn. Yeah. Nah, he ain't gonna do shit. That shit moving. Y'all see that shit, bro? You can't even hear. Nah, this fucking AyyoTj busting too.
You just hear the wheels scraping. That's all you heard is wheels picking.
Man, that's all you heard was it.
That shit fat.
Nah, that
What happened
wheels
to
fat.
Steve? That ain't Steve shit?
Nah, hell no.
He said,
But nah, it look like it though. It look like it though.
I
don't know.
Steve shit.
It is Steve shit, bro. He got the spikes on it.
Yeah.
It's Steve shit, bro.
Good, bro. That shit
Where the fuck he at though? Yeah, that's definitely Steve shit, bro. He here somewhere. Where the fuck he at? He calling me right now. Yeah.
There you go,
Bro, yeah.
Yeah.
What's good with you, my guy? Straight. You back?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Yeah, outside with the shit. You outside now, my guy? Yeah. Yeah. You already know. Yeah. And you got the other shit right here.
These niggas got the tops off of that shit.
Well, they've been circling around like 3 times.
Look, they done parked you that shit over.
Oh, fuck.
You gotta wait on the game.
No, we gotta go over there.
They done parked you that shit
I think that's the scat that was in the lane haul shit, right?
Bro, look,
This
this
is
that
not a
nigga.
female in that scat?
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. You gotta send me this shit there, now shit, boy, ass nigga. You ain't got shit. Cat slide up. Yes, sir. I got no shit everywhere. Bro, I record that shit. This got the line up lit. What you saying, bro? I don't care. Let's go ahead, bro. Like this another one there.
There's a couple of tracks out there now.
He going big. right there. You hear me?
That bitch low.
That shit's up.
Big ass brake pad.
Yeah, nah, he lit.
He got that little he bucking. Do that quick. Damn.
Come on, man. Look at the track, man. That's Mercedes, yeah. Hell yeah. God damn, boy. That's the Mercedes, bro. That shit going fed. You got
Yeah, I
there.
think he about to pull up.
Nah, facts. Damn, boy. I ain't know there was a Hellcat right here. I know it's dark outside, y'all, but damn, we trying to get this shit in. We outside tonight. Got the motherfucking SRT, man. Stop playing.
I'm rolling backwards. What the fuck is a dozen? My coupe automatic like fuck is a cut. And you still run the pack. Boy, you was wrong to the bottom. Done what I spent on my charm. I get cheese by the pound. This is not on the top.
Got the motherfucking Hellcats over here.
Cushion my pocket. This shit hella smelling. Let's see my Glock. Get that bitch out the way. Finna be something. Go pull out the shirts and go pull out the shovels and water the dirt. Niggas be so called looking for me.
God damn.
If you my bitch, then you gotta be pretty.
That shit is OD. Come on, bro. Oh my god, damn. Yes, sir. Hellcat.
Make him dance like you're making a trailer. So much just making it well. What's up on the man-ass face in the special. Quarterback, keep throwing bullets. I shake his stomach.
For real?
Look at her see she Hellcat. She got like really close on shit.
Oh, nah, that bit bustin'. That bit bustin'.
You feel me?
For sure. Got the Tesla. Ooh, you got my yes, you got the motherfucking Trackie. Come on, man. God damn. Huh?
You got this rotation,
Yeah, yeah. That shit bustin'. Yeah. You got this shit right here. Track right here. Track right here, y'all. Track right here. Sheesh. Tracky. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! You about to go crazy? Yeah.
You should have the flash.
Nah, the flash will be. Damn. Oh no, this is. This that turquoise right here. Yeah, you know.
Big shit.
You feel me? Woo. Come on, man. Big Durango. Oh, man. That bit busted. For sure. Shit. This car to the motherfucker. God damn. Big cat, man. Big cat. It's a big cat, boy. Need those.
They got body moving.
That buzz, that bit buzz.
Supercharger.
For sure. Hell yeah. That bit busting. Seriously. This shit tough. This shit tough. Yeah, this shit tough. Yeah.
Big giant who you used to know. I done
Yeah,
shot
they
up
got
to
that,
the
yeah.
still order me a 4 for 4 100 drink in a gumbo. No heavy motion, got the shit on the floor. Room looking like a scene from Blow. All blues, big racks like whoa. Red gang, got the shit by the loaf. Boys, number real niggas, couple hitters and dope boys in this loot, them loose. Pull up SF90 coupe, I'm playing with plenty for loose.
Already, bro. We'll catch up with you.
That's probably gonna be a lot. You think it's gonna be a lot of?
Huh?
You don't see that nigga. We can't do shit about it. Shoot a nigga. What you want to shoot?
Hey, I be at home 24/8, man. I see these little.
I feel it.
Start with Steve shit. You want to know? Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, they been busting.
Say you want smoke, push up, you can eat these. I'm saying this, and I got me a rich beat. Shot out the block, I'ma knock off the top. I'ma reload the block, scratch his name off the heat lead. On that bitch, skin, then you wanna beat now. Fuck that. I'm